To make folders bigger on the Redmi Note 14s, let me quickly show you how you can do this. All you simply have to do is just press and hold on any folder you'd like to make bigger, and here is the button to edit folder. Press it, and here you have three sizes: the regular one, the enlarged size, and the XXL. Basically, the enlarged and the XXL have no are like the same size. Let me show you. As you accept it, this folder gets like really big. It's like 2 by 2 the size, and as you change this folder size from enlarged to XXL, it basically changes the layout of the applications, of how you see applications, because this folder is still 2 by 2, but the applications, you can see them like 3 by 3 right here with this size. With the enlarged one, you can see them in the format 2 by 2. So yeah, that's basically how you can change the size of you can make folders bigger on the Redmi Note 14s.